Gott erhalte Franz den Kaiser, unseren guten Kaiser Franz.
Guten Tag, Internet, and welcome back to Cooking with Lars. Now, as you know, tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and I will be making a treat for the little ones. The treat I am making is kokosbusserl, which are like little coconut bonbons. It starts off with 600 grams of egg whites. Not 600 grams, 6 eggs. Also, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. A pinch of salt. And whisk that until the peaks are stiff. Now that the egg whites are as stiff as physically possible, it is time to add 300 grams of icing sugar. As you can see, the sugar is powdery and not granulated. We will add this bit by bit as we whisk the egg whites. Now that the sugar has been fully incorporated and we have a gooey mixture, it is time to add the dry coconut, desiccated coconut. Now you may be asking, Lazarus, they don't have coconut in Austria. Well, I would say you are an idiot for not knowing that they were brought to Europe in the 8th century AD by migrating swallows. Fold in the desiccated coconut with a wooden spoon. I should have used a bigger bowl. Now that the coconut has been folded into the mixture, it is time to spoon out little balls onto a baking tray. As you can see, I have made little piles on baking paper and left a little gap in between. As you can see, the kokosbusserl is a lovely dooky brown color and is perfectly chewy and crispy, perfect for Easter Sunday. Ah, that's good.